Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun Christmas wreath tutorial. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this wreath, you're going to need 2 of the 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath rings, and we just removed 2 sections from it, and now it makes the C shape. So you're going to do this to both of your wreath rings. Next, you're going to need some ribbon to wrap both of your wreath rings. This is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, but you do not have to use ribbon with wire to wrap this one. Just be very careful when you hot glue your ribbon on. You might want to put on your hot glue finger guards. So just glue your ribbon onto the frame, and then you're just going to wrap the frame. Try not to overlap it too much. You are also going to need a block of foam, and this is just about a 3-inch by 3-inch square of foam I had left over from another DIY, and you're going to want to put some holes in it so that you can zip tie it to your 2 wreath rings. So I just moved the ribbon over just a little bit so I could zip tie the foam onto the frame. At the end of this video, I added some pictures of some of the other DIYs I have done for Christmas this year. So if you'd like to check those out, I will link some of those tutorials for you. And if you don't see the tutorial linked, just ask me and I can link it for you, or you can go to my Christmas playlist and it should be there. I am also doing a December 2022 giveaway for a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card on my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to enter that, I can link that tutorial with details on the giveaway in the description box below. Just make sure you get your foam between your 2 wreath rings that you cut in the C shape, and you're also going to need 2 bunches of flowers from Walmart. They're just Mainstays brand, and I just got 2 big bunches. Right now Walmart has some of the prettiest Christmas poinsettias. This is really a simple DIY. I wanted to do something a little different than just the traditional round wreath or mesh wreath, so I hope you like this one. If you do, please let me know in the comments section. So next I'm going to be adding some pretty Christmas florals, but you'll want to add a zip tie or wire to the top of your foam so that you can easily hang your wreath on your door. And there's my beautiful picks from Walmart. They also have some pretty red and white striped poinsettias and some solid white ones too. Next, I'm just taking my 2 picks and I'm cutting them into shorter pieces. When I make a floral arrangement, usually what I do on the top, I do on the bottom. What I do on the left side, I do on the right side. I kind of follow a pattern the best I can. So I'm putting 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom that match. Then same with 1 on the top left, and then I'm going to go the opposite corner on the bottom right. So I just do a pattern with my picks. And last, I just took some vase filler from Hobby Lobby. They're just styrofoam balls, and I just hot glued them onto each of the ends. I just hot glued 3 of the little styrofoam balls, just held them in place for just a little bit and let them have time to dry. Just be careful when you're using your hot glue. And then I added a longer zip tie to the back to hang it up on my door. But before I did that, I added some wood dowels to the back to support the wreath rings so that it would stay flat. So just hot glue some of those onto the back, make sure they connect to the 2 C's and to the foam and go across. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching.